for Conquest Electric. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Google loves content, and you want to have on your homepage at least 1,500 or 2,000 words. And also you make sure that your pictures also saved with the correct keywords. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. And if we come here and type electricians NYC, we can see ads here, and then we can see the map pack. So what is citation? Is it essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web? It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this map here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you won't try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has. Want to get that they have, and you want to add a little bit more. So that way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content, citation, and last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. As you see, like Yelp, expertise, home advisors, so there are a lot of big national companies that taken up the top of the page. The way backlink works, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. And if you have, for example, a backlink from ice cream shop, and it's all about ice cream and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of these tool, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And as you can see, you have 13 referring domains that brings you 33 backlinks, and out of those you're getting found for 42 organic keywords, and out of those keywords you're getting 8 people on average to your site each month. So if we see your competitors here, he's on first page. This one, Apollo NYC. They have, let's see what they have. See, they have 47 referring domains. That gives them 381 backlinks, and out of those backlinks, which getting them found for 414 keywords, and they have almost 600 people on average on their site each month. And if we also check what keywords they have, see, they have electricians in my area, 2,000 people searching and 70 people coming to their website. And then electrical NYC, 150 people searching and 46 people coming to their website. So To boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And if you're interested, you can ask me how to do this. You can want to do it yourself, or if you want to focus on your business and let somebody else do it for you. So that's pretty much it what I had for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. And thanks again, and you have a great day.